The stator is the outer portion of the brushless motor in your cordless drill. It has a series of windings that form electromagnets. These electromagnets cause the magnetic rotor to rotate. If the tool is overloaded, the coils will overheat and eventually fail. Replacing the stator is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the housing. Now I'm going to lift the gearbox and motor assembly away from the housing. As I do this, I'll be careful to not separate the selector from the gearbox. With it removed from the housing, I can pull the gearbox away from the motor. Now I can remove the rotor from the stator. Now remove the circuit board from the back side of the stator. The stator is connected to the rest of the circuitry with 3 crimp connectors. I'll need to go ahead and cut those away. I want to save as much of the wire length as I can on the control board side. So I'll cut right through the crimp on the connector. And then pull it away from the wire. Now I can begin installing the new stator. There's a plastic spacer ring that I need to transfer from the old stator to the new. Now we'll begin on the wiring. I'll strip back about 1/4 inch of insulation from each of the wires on the new stator. I'll also remove just a short amount of insulation from each of the wires that we cut away from the control board. Now install the new butt splices to each of the wires on the new stator. Place it over the wire and crimp it into place. Now reconnect each of the wires to the wires coming from the control board. Now reconnect the circuit board to the stator. Now I'll tuck the wires from the stator back into the housing. And now I'll reinstall the rotor. As I slide it into the stator, I want to be careful I don't get pinched as the magnets draw the two pieces together. Now I can begin reinstalling the gearbox. There's a good chance when you remove the gearbox that the leaf spring fell out of the housing, so I'll reinstall it. Now I can install the gearbox back onto the motor. I align the gears and slide the gearbox over the bearing. Now I'll line each of the components with the housing and slide them into place. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's all it takes to replace the stator in your cordless drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.